Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code, SYNCUD Warzone, and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step while understanding error code. The content error code, see in Call of Duty, Warzone typically indicates a network connection issue preventing the game client from properly communicating with the game servers. This can manifest as an inability to connect to online services, join matches, or maintain a stable connection. During gameplay, it's often the generic connectivity error rather than a specific hardware or software fault, suggesting a problem with your internet connection, router configuration, or the game's ability to traverse your network.
Step validate server status and your internet connection content before troubleshooting local settings. Verify that Call of Duty Warzone servers are operational by checking official Activision support pages or community forums like Down Detector. If servers are down, no local fix will work. Simultaneously perform basic internet connectivity checks. Restart your modem and router. Run a speed test to ensure adequate bandwidth and confirm other devices on your network can access the internet without issue. A stable wired Ethernet connection is always recommended over Wi-Fi for gaming to rule out wireless interference.
Step to restart game launcher and gaming platform. Contend a complete restart of the game client, its launcher, eBattle.net on, and your entire gaming platform. PlayStation or Xbox can often resolve transient network glitches and clear corrupt temporary data that might be causing error code. For users, ensure Battle.net is fully closed from the system tray before reopening. For console players, perform a full power cycle by turning off the console and unplugging it for a minute before restarting.
Step to verify game files and update network drivers. Content corrupt or missing game files can impede proper server communication. Use the scan and repair function in the Battle.net launcher. For Warzone console players, should check for available game updates. And if issues persist, consider reinstalling the game as a last resort. Additionally, for users, outdated or faulty network drivers can cause connectivity problems. Ensure your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter drivers are updated to the latest version directly from your motherboard or adapter manufacturer's website. Step that adjust router settings and its configuration. Content your router's configuration, including universal plug-and-play up settings. Firewall and port forwarding rules can interfere with Warzone's connection tray, enabling or disabling up to see if it resolves the issue. If that fails, consider manually forwarding the specific ports required by Call of Duty Warzone. Search for official Activision port lists. Also ensure your operating system or router's firewall isn't blocking Warzone or Battle.net. Lastly, switching your DNS server to a public one like Google DNS and Grog or Cloudflare DNS can sometimes improve connectivity and resolve server lookup issues.